Welcome to the animal kingdom. There it is. The rope just got dropped and the people are heading in, and I'm right here, ready to check in. Not bad timing. So coming in at 8 exactly, I went in the hotel guest side, and I'm get ahead of all those people that were rope dropping. I remember seeing those guys in the yellow in the back. So I literally caught the rope droppers here. Let's go on a safari. Kilimanjaro safari. Hey, what the heck is going on here?
Over here on the left-hand side, we are seeing some African painted dogs. They look quite chatty.
Oh, they've just been fed. They're pretty active right now.
African painted dogs. Oh, please don't send me a child. African painted dogs, they are very much a pack family. They will not start their day until they wake up and meet every other dog in their pack. If they don't meet every other dog in their pack, they won't start their day and they will go out to look for that lost dog. Now we are seeing a couple of animals. These ones with the big horns are Ankoli cattle. The ones with the big spots are Maasai giraffes. And one straight out here on the left-hand side are known. They can run pretty quickly. They can run at about 35 miles an hour. But when they are at that top speed, they don't really know where they are going because they don't.
That's funny, the ostrich just following the food truck here. And then you got the lion
on the
up here.
left-hand side, we are seeing a lion. Trust me, guys, I'm not lying to you.
Yeah, see, guys, that was great. The Kilimanjaro safari. The painted dogs were active, loud, and they were being fed. So that definitely helped their activity. So that's the thing. You never know what you're going to get on the safari. A lot of animals were out, and it was super good today. This is the single rider line. Absolutely no wait. Everest. Gotta love it. Single rider line right to the front. Only to sit in the back, the best spot. Going backwards, it's crazy in the dark. Wow. Oh man, that's so intense. That ride is so good. I'm telling you, it's like a top 5 for sure. Kali River Rapids opens at 9. And it is 9:01, so they just opened it. It's only 9 o'clock and this thing just opened, but it's already 82 degrees and getting wet right now doesn't sound too bad. So we're gonna do the rapids. There it is, the River Rapids. Not too bad. We still got to get past the squirts up here though. So a week ago these elephants weren't working, they had them shut down, but they're going again. You just gotta press the green button and get them right there. Pretty sweet. See? Pressing the green button, we'll shower the wheels. Yeah. Yeah, so like I said, that item hasn't been working up until just right recently. Last time I was here, it wasn't open or it wasn't working. So it's fun, especially if you know somebody that's on the boat, right? Take a little walk in the Maharaja Jungle Trek. This guy's out front and center right now. Guy's having a little snack here. I think it's just the coldest monkeys. Yeah, I can't remember. Pretty cool though. That's a cool thing about getting these guys early. They're often eating, and that was the thing with the painted dogs earlier on the safari. You get them eating, and it's pretty cool. There's the tiger, nice. Here comes the tiger. Wow. Man, it's so close today. That is so cool. Oh, hello there. Hey, the great thing about hitting the animals early is that they're more active. Like the tiger. I mean, you guys, it's just right there in front of you, walking around and being active. I love it. Great time. The birds were super active, making lots of noise, peaceful. Great time. You can always catch the little baby ducks. Wow, that is so cute.
Nilo, say this.
Rafiki's Planet Watch, take the train. There we go. Wildlife Express. Animation experience. You got these sketch times. For now, obviously they can change, but at 10 o'clock I'm gonna hit that one. So this is what you start off with, animation experience. We'll be drawing up there.
Things way better than we can. You're gonna draw the philtrum next. It's that little line from the nose to the mouth. You have that you see on your dog or your cat. Actually pulls
So that's the process.
to the nose and keeps their noses wet. Keeps them healthy. And we brought different characters in every class.
That's what his looks like.
Bambi, Thumper, Judy
This is what mine looks like.
all sorts of different
It's like I need some help, some drawing skills here.
Find that when we're drawing Nick
Fun though.
and take another Nick class.
Yeah, these guys, this is fun.
Are the oldest out here 16 years old.
Having a good time.
Going against one that's 2 minutes.
This is the petting zoo. Petting zoo. Hey guys. You having fun here? Yeah. Loving it. Hey.
And if you're right in the middle of it, they might come over.
They came over to me.
I know. They don't
I'm not scared. I'm not scared. My sister has them at her house. Yeah, they're fun for sure.
Oh, a lot of personality. Donkeys.
Yeah, the kids love this area. It's super cool.
I know, there's
Pigs, huh?
Anything that you even have said.
This is a cool area. Occasionally they'll be doing an animal surgery work on these guys here. Pretty neat. I've seen them here before.
A piece of plastic. Okay.
There's some pictures of them
oh yeah. Put it back in
on the TV here
You're welcome.
of them actively working. See?
There's one down here.
Oh, one down.
Yes.
Wellness exam. So that's the Rafiki's Planet Watch. You can, like I just showed, you can see surgeries and with them working on the animals, and you can do the animation experience. And the petting zoo is a super favorite of the young guys out there. They were loving it. So good times. Take the train out and come and check it out. That's the first day I've been into the animal kingdom and haven't seen Kevin in a long, long time. I always see Kevin. But that's it for me today from the animal kingdom. Thanks for joining me.